a long time when I make the video. You don't notice?
Wagwan YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Niquez. I know I have been away for a while, but I've been busy. I'm doing my own little catering business, so forgive me. Today we're gonna make a KFC famous bowl. Stay tuned. Alright, so the first thing I'm gonna add is our potatoes to some boiling water. This is 3 medium-sized potatoes I have here. I'm gonna have half tablespoon of salt to the water and stir that and let it boil. Alright, so I have drained the potatoes. Next, I'm gonna add some butter. The best way to get the creamiest mashed potatoes is to melt your butter first. Trust me, change that in your mashed potatoes and see the difference. I'm just gonna mash that with the butter to get started. Next, I'm gonna add some heavy cream. You can use milk, but for me, I find that the heavy cream makes it a lot more creamier, and I like my potatoes to be like super creamy. You can use milk, but I decided to go with heavy cream. In the cup, I have a 1/4 cup there. I'm not gonna use all. Adjust to your liking to how creamy you like your mashed potatoes. Get that stirred in. Look how creamy that looks, guys. Trust me, it looks like KFC one. Don't it? I'm gonna stop going to man. At least I don't use the ready-made potatoes. Anyway, moving on to our popcorn chicken. I already made my barbecue sauce because I use it for my business, and I had some popcorn chicken left over from the day's proceedings, so I'm still gonna use that. If you want to see a video on how I make my popcorn chicken, then let me know and I'll do it. So I'm just gonna add the popcorn chicken to the barbecue sauce, stir that around so it is well coated and the sauce is like well steeped into the chicken. Look how beautiful that looks. Yes. Now I'm gonna move on to the cheeses. Listen, my personal thing is that I always grate on my own cheeses. The cheeses that come pre-grated or shredded, they have some things on it to keep it from clumping up and melting, right? Some preservatives, or I don't know what it is, but it makes the cheese taste funny to me. So I always grate on my cheese. The 2 cheese that I'm using today is sharp cheddar and mozzarella cheese. Right here, I'm just gonna plate the mashed potatoes in my little bowl, add the chicken, and then sprinkle some cheese on top. Alright, so you see the amount of cheese that's behind on the cutting board? I'm not gonna use all of it in the video, but best believe behind the scenes I eat all of this cheese. I know, but food is life. What can you say? Alright guys, so the full recipe will be in the description box. Remember to like, comment, and share with a friend. Thank you for watching. Thank you for the support. Those who have purchased food from me, thank you.